Welcome back. Today's cryptocurrency is on Aave. This is a cryptocurrency. A lot of people know about it. This is a legacy crypto. It's been around for quite some time. And as I said in my previous videos, I only talk about high quality altcoins on this channel, only high quality ones. So twice a week, I give you good high quality altcoins, and once a week I cover the market update. So if you like to know that, consider subscribing, but let's just get right into Aave because this is a really beautiful crypto. I'm going to give you price predictions and compare them to Bitcoin and ETH value to see its relative strength. So you can see exactly how I pick good cryptos. So here we have Aave against its USD value, against its Tether USD value. And that is a beautiful chart. Now, a lot of the times on my channel, I talk about, okay, where did your low come in? If your low came in 2022, that's a good sign. And again, that's what Aave has done. Now, it did crash and burn almost and breaking it, which was when during the SEC Binance debacle, which was about a month ago-ish. And a lot of cryptos have bounced off since then. Some of them have broken that level, and that is this candle right here. This is a very significant candle. This is the SEC candle. This is when Binance was in the news and it wasn't looking too good and there was an attempted sell-off. You can see a lot of volume coming into the market, guys. A lot of volume coming in. If there's high volume, it means there was whales. Always means that. Only whales have enough to do this kind of volume and this kind of amount. Now, some cryptos have actually broken this significant candle over here on the 10th of June. This is a significant candle because it shows strength. If your crypto broke this candle on the 10th of June, it means it's weak. Aave did not. Now, there's another reason why Aave is strong is that is because you're getting full body high volume candle. So there's number one, there's number two, there's number three, and you could say there's number four as well. Even though it's not completely high volume, it still is a full body as well. And because there's a lot of volatility happening the last 2 weeks or so, you can say that there's maneuvering happening with this crypto. Why? We don't know, right? You could have news maybe a couple of days from now about Aave or something like that. We don't know exactly, but there's big volume happening with this crypto, and that should pique your interest in saying, okay, why is there volatility? Because that's what you need your crypto to go up. If your crypto is not going up, it means there's no volume, right? No one cares about your crypto. It's crap. No one cares. So that's why you need to look at your volume chart and actually just have a look at the volume. It actually tells you a lot of information out there. I think it's a bit of an underrated metric that a lot of people don't use during their chart analysis, unfortunately. But Aave is getting high amount of volume. And you can even see, look previously, very low volume previously. I mean, all of a sudden, this volume's creeping up. And it's very important when you get this breakout volume, like we did here on the 25th of June, you get the breakout and we don't break the breakout. You can see we tested it 3 days after on the 28th of June. We tested and we came off of it, right? We didn't even break it really. So that's what I mean. When you enter in on the breakout, you put your stop loss underneath it and you say, I don't want that breakout bar being, hit basically. And you would have still been okay and you would have been up on the up and up. The other reason why Aave is very strong as well, apart from its volume and the fact that it hasn't tested its breakout bar or succeeded in testing, depending on how much of an error you want to put onto it, is the fact that now we do have a confirmed trend for crypto going up. This is a fantastic opportunity, guys, to get really good high quality altcoins because like I said, we know the trend is up in crypto. The trend's been up this entire year, okay? You have basically 7 months from January to July, 7 months worth of data telling you it's an uptrend, okay? I cover it on my market update video. If I put Bitcoin on a monthly chart and I show you this, what does it look like, guys? Does this look like a monthly chart? Does this look like an uptrend or does it look like a downtrend? Okay, here it is, 2023. There it is. Does this look like an uptrend? Well, it sure does to me. You can see there it is. There's the uptrend. So you know crypto's going up. Now you're just looking for some really good altcoins that you can actually hold and get. And Aave is one of them at the moment with high volume, getting away from its low in 2022 and still didn't break it, which is very, very important. If we have a look at another coin like Ape, this is a crypto that is getting a bit of volume and a bit of juice behind it. But you can see, look at this. This is a downtrend, guys. 2023, March 2023. Look, April 2023, May, June. You can see it broke that level from November. If we have a look at Ape, you can see on the 10th of June, this is the SEC day. You can see there's your big candle, high volume, support came to the market to support the price. And you can see eventually you broke it. So that's not what you want. You want your crypto not getting to that severely breakout bars. And breakout bars can be on the downside too. You don't want this level broken. You don't want that level broken. And if it's a good crypto, they either bounce off of it or they don't come back to test. Those are your options. And Aave is doing both at the moment. Did it come back to test on the 10th of June? Did test its breakout bar from the 25th of June and did survive it. So that's what you want. You want good strength. Price predictions for Aave. Let's have a look here. Aave is definitely gone to $100. I can almost guarantee it. So there you go. Maybe call it $93, $95. Okay. So let's just go here for to be a little bit conservative here. But $100 is not out of the question because it's actually not too far from the $95, of course, and we actually did hit the $100 in August of 2022. So that was when Aave was actually doing very, very well, and we'll definitely be still going between this boundary here, that boundary being this zigzag here. This is your boundary. If you break this level of $115, Aave is definitely going higher. But bit by bit, guys, I keep saying bull run will probably start Q4 this year, Q1 next year. We'll have to wait and see, but you can see Aave definitely can go to $250 and even $300, but I don't want to get your hopes up too much because this is a long-term hodl coin. You got to really hold on to this one. And if it does break significant levels, you need to get out. If it does start breaking significant levels, what are those significant levels? Well, easy level. That's level number one is $70. You don't want it breaking that, even though we're pretty close to it at around $77. So 10%, probably that would be my tolerance. $57 definitely is your next level, and about $50 down all the way down to $45 is really where you don't want to be dealing with Aave anymore. If it breaks $45, just pack your bags, go home, wait for support to come to the market, and that's exactly what's happening to Aave. Again, Aave is a good crypto. It has some volume coming in, and it's definitely going up for the day, but you can see once you start breaking these significant levels of support, you just got to wait for some good breakout bars to confirm that the trend is definitely up. Fortunately, that's not the case for Aave. Could be in a week or two, maybe it is, but at the moment, reduce your risk, pick good, strong, high quality altcoins, and you want to be right most of the time. That's how you make money. You make money by being right most of the time. You don't make money by putting it on some crappy coin, hoping for it to million X. Okay, that's not what you do. You want to be confident with your investing. If we have a look at Aave against its BTC value on CoinCodex, you can see all of these coins are pinned to their Bitcoin value, and you want to pick a crypto that is outperforming Bitcoin, depending on which time frame. But you can see Aave doing it on the short-term time frame, so the trend is slowly changing. So you can see 24 hours outperforming Bitcoin by 5% almost, 7 days outperforming Bitcoin by 15%, 1 month outperforming Bitcoin by almost 14% as well. So Aave is outperforming the big daddy that is Bitcoin. You can even ping it to ETH if you want to have a look at it, and that's exactly what we can do. So we can put it into ETH, and you can see if you have a look at ETH and you have a look at Aave, there it is. Aave outperforming ETH as well, even better than it is with Bitcoin, almost 30% in the month compared to Ethereum. Really good crypto. If we have a look at the charts against its ETH value, you can see clear uptrend against its Ethereum value. So theoretically, you should be buying Aave over ETH. Now, is that always going to be the case? No, it's not always the case, but for the time being, the trend is firmly up, and you can see that. So go with the trend. The trend is your friend. If we have a look at Bitcoin as well, not as convincing as ETH, but still an uptrend nonetheless. You can see there's your big volume bar right there. There's your breakout, doesn't get tested against its BTC value, and you can just see uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. So this crypto should theoretically continue to go up for the foreseeable future until you start to see major weakness coming into this crypto and significant areas of support getting broken down. But that's going to do it all for this video. If it did, give me a like and subscribe. But until then, everyone, I will catch you on the next video.